Have you ever seen a Suzuki Mehran Automatic with a sunroof? This fully modified car is available in just 6 lakh. Don't miss this unique deal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I brought for you a very unique and budget-friendly car, especially for those who love modified vehicles and want something different on the road. If you're looking for a car in a very low budget but with a stylish and upgraded look, then this video is definitely for you. Make sure to watch till the end because this deal might surprise you. The car we are reviewing today is a Suzuki Mehran VXR Automatic Model 1989. Yes, you heard that right, an automatic Mehran, which already makes this car quite unique compared to the usual manual variants. Let's start with the condition of the car. According to the details, the interior is fully genuine, seal to seal, which is a very strong point. It means the inside of the car has been preserved in its original condition, showing that it has been maintained carefully over time. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The car is fully modified from the outside, giving a completely different and modern look compared to a standard Mehran. This is perfect for buyers who want a car that stands out and looks unique on the road. One of the biggest highlights of this car is the sunroof, which is not something you usually see in a Mehran. This adds a premium feel and makes the car more enjoyable to drive. Moving toward the features, the car is equipped with an LCD system and back camera, which adds convenience and improves the driving experience. These upgrades are rarely seen in cars of this category, making this vehicle even more special. Now, let's talk about comfort. The car comes with air conditioning, and it is mentioned that it only needs gas. This means with a small fix, you can have a fully working AC, which is very important for daily driving. Talking about the engine, it is in good condition, ensuring smooth performance. The car runs on petrol, and overall driving is described as smooth and comfortable, which is exactly what you want in a daily use vehicle. Another standout feature is the sound system, which is described as outstanding. For music lovers, this is a big plus point because you can enjoy a high-quality audio experience while driving. The overall condition of the car is described as outstanding, with everything working properly and no major work required. This means you can buy and drive without worrying about immediate repairs. Now, let's talk about documentation. All documents are clear, which is very important for a smooth and secure ownership transfer. Coming to demand, the owner is asking 6 lakh PKR, which is quite reasonable considering the modifications, features, and condition of the car. This car is ideal for buyers looking for a very low-budget car, people who like modified and unique vehicles, daily commuters, first-time car buyers, anyone who wants a stylish car in a small budget. Let's quickly summarize the key points. Suzuki Mehran VXR Automatic, Model 1989, fully modified exterior, interior seal to seal genuine, sunroof installed, LCD and back camera, AC available, needs gas, engine in good condition, petrol driven, outstanding sound system, smooth driving, no major work required, documents clear, demand 6 lakh. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, unique, and modified car, then this Suzuki Mehran could be a great option for you. Before ending the video, if you enjoy such car reviews and unique deals, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch till the end for full details. Serious buyers can contact through inbox for more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing deal. Automobile Fire.